A $47 mistake is destroying Ram transmissions right now. And most owners have no idea they're making it.
I just talked to a transmission shop that rebuilt 7 Ram transmissions last month.
All 7 failed between 160 and 200,000 miles. Same $47 error, same $4,000 repair.
The owner who spent $47 every 60,000 miles. His transmission is still running strong at 300,000 miles. Today I'm exposing the $47 error destroying your transmission, why mechanics lie about it, and how to fix it today.
If you own a Ram, you need to know if you're making this mistake right now.
The mistake: never changing your transmission fluid and filter.
Ram says lifetime fluid. Your manual says sealed for life. Your dealer says no service needed.
They're lying. And it's costing you $4,000.
Inside your transmission, clutch packs wear down. Tiny metal particles break off and circulate in your fluid. After 60,000 miles, your fluid turns dark brown and contaminated with metal.
Those particles clog valve bodies. Clutches slip. Shifts get harsh.
By 160,000 miles, catastrophic failure, $4,000 rebuild.
Lifetime fluid doesn't mean lifetime of the transmission. It means lifetime of the warranty.
Fleet trucks get serviced every 60,000 miles because they demand longevity.
Ram knows the fluid needs changing. They just don't tell you.
Every 60,000 miles, you need a full transmission flush and a new filter.
$900 in maintenance saves $4,000 in repairs.
Fresh fluid doesn't damage transmissions. Old fluid does.
If you've never serviced your transmission, you're making the mistake.
Over 60,000 miles since last service? You're making the mistake.
Use Mopar ATF Plus 4 only. Other fluids will damage your transmission.
This $47 error destroys transmissions at 160,000 miles.
Fresh fluid every 60,000 miles gets you to 300,000 miles.
Don't believe lifetime fluid. Believe 300,000-mile transmissions. Fix this today.
Nothing beats the feeling of a new truck. The Ram 1500 handles like a dream.